going to show you exactly how to fix your iPhone screen record no audio. So if you've been struggling lately on recording your screen or using your iPhone screen recorder, which is this, and then you've not been able to get sound or you don't hear anything while you record your screen on your iPhone, it could be iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 6, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, and iPhone 15 respectively. Don't worry no more, because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can fix iPhone screen record no audio. Problem solved. So but first thing first, make sure that your side button here, which is the side volume here, it's actually on. You can actually increase the volume by using your side volume button, and then make sure this focus here, do not disturb, is not turned on. If it's turned on, you can actually turn it off here. As you can see, this is do not disturb. You turn it off here, which is on. Make sure to turn off this. Make sure your do not disturb is not turned on, because once it's turned on, whenever you record on your screen, you may not be able to hear anything. So now, as you can see, I'm actually recording this screen as we speak, and then if I had to put a stop to this video, you definitely get to hear the sound. Now, one other step I think you really need to do is very simple. All you need to do now is to click on this screen recorder here. Here, as you can see here, if it's turned off, if your screen recorder is turned off, all you need to do is to click on hold the microphone here, and you can see the microphone is actually turned on at the moment. All you need to do is to click on, you hold the microphone down, and then you're going to turn it off if it's turned off from your own end here. So it's very easy to actually get your screen recording working. So these are one of the few steps you can actually use. Like I said, do not forget, if your do not disturb is being turned on, make sure to don't forget to turn it off, and then make sure to increase your side volume here. Make sure to increase it to the maximum rather, so you'll be able to hear whenever you record your audio sound via your screen recorder on your iPhone. It could be any of the iPhone versions. So I think that is it on how you can actually fix your iPhone screen record no audio. I hope you actually found this video helpful on WiredForte. You actually found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified on every new video that will publish on this YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, we'll make videos on how to make money, how you can do certain settings on your iPhones. We make phones reviews, tech reviews, and other things. How to make money online from the comfort of your home without you having to undergo working excessively. So don't forget to share this video to friends and family if you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.